Hi, I'm Judge Bailhache with the Lafayette Municipal Court. This morning you are here for your traffic arraignment. Before you meet with the prosecutor, I'd like to advise you of your rights. You have the right to be advised of the nature of the charges against you. You have the right to be presumed innocent of the charges. The prosecution must prove all the elements of all the charges against you beyond a reasonable doubt. You have the right to be represented by an attorney. You have the right to have your arraignment continued to seek the assistance of an attorney to determine which plea to enter or for other good reasons. You do not need to make any statements. Any statement that you do make can and may be used against you. You have the right to a speedy and public trial to the court. If you are charged with speeding more than 24 miles per hour over the posted speed limit, reckless driving, speed contest, failure to have insurance, or eluding or attempting to elude a police officer, you are entitled to a jury trial. If you want a jury trial, you must request that in writing and pay a $25 jury fee within 21 days of the arraignment or entry of a plea. The jury fee can be waived if you are indigent. You may choose a jury consisting of between 3 and 6 jurors. If no number is specified, you will be tried by a jury of 3. You have the right to have subpoenas issued by the court, which orders the attendance of witnesses on your behalf. You also have the right to testify or not testify on your own behalf. If you choose not to testify, that will not be considered as evidence of guilt. If you are convicted, you have the right to appeal any mistakes of law within 35 days of the final judgment being entered. Any plea you make must be voluntary and not the result of any undue influence or coercion. If you're not a citizen of the United States, a guilty plea may have immigration consequences. You may request a continuance to consult with an immigration attorney to discuss any potential consequences before entering into a plea in this matter. If you plead guilty to a traffic offense, points will be assessed against your driver's license. Your driver's license will be suspended if you accumulate too many points from traffic tickets. In Colorado, you start off with 0 points. When convictions are reported to the DMV, you have points added to your record. For drivers that are 21 years or older, if you accumulate 12 points in 12 months, your license will be suspended. For drivers between the ages of 18 and 21, if you accumulate 9 points in a 12-month period, your license will be suspended. For minor drivers 17 years and younger, if you accumulate 9 points in a 12-month period, your driver's license will be suspended. If you decide to accept the plea bargain from the prosecuting attorney, in order to receive the point reduction, you must complete all sentencing obligations first. For example, you could be sentenced to pay a fine, complete community service, or complete a traffic class. After you've completed your sentence, the reduced points will then be reported to the Department of Motor Vehicles. If you fail to complete your sentence, the original traffic violation will enter. The original points will be assessed against your driving privileges, and they will be reported to the Department of Motor Vehicles. This concludes your advisement. Thank you for your patience. The prosecutor will be with you in a moment.